So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very special and also a interesting video because guys, as everyone knows that I have taken a challenge. This challenge is 1 week for American accent challenge, and this challenge will help me to develop my American accent absolutely. And guys, I want to tell that it is the first video of the day 4. Yes guys, it is the day 4 and it is the first video of the day 4. As everyone knows that in this challenge I have to make every day 2 videos for 1 week, means for 7 days. And it is now it's my daily routine. Every morning I wake up, and then every morning I wake up and then I come here or I go with my father near and there for to make the videos. And also I have to make 2 videos. So guys, that's why just please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon, because every day for all of you all I am making new contents for to develop my accent. Also there are also a number of benefits of mine, but all of the benefits of your guys. So guys, I am making this video for you. So guys, please subscribe and also please like and hit the bell icon, because without hitting the bell icon you can get all of the notification of our videos. And now guys, today what is my topic? Okay, today I am not gonna, like here you can see there are also many sparrows, many birds. They are sitting line to line, and when I will go to them they will fly away. Now the question is that what guys, what is the topic of today's? Like as you can see they also went away. So now what is the topic? Let's talk about our talkie. So now guys, I want to tell to everyone that nowadays I will not give anyone very English, very big advices, and also how to develop your American accent or the another things. But guys, today I am gonna talk about a problem. Okay, now the question is why I will talk about problem. Guys, I don't understand that problem is very important for us. I always tell that for the anything, problem and mistakes always learn us. That's why guys, today I am gonna talk about the problems, because when we will capture our problem, when we will understand our problem, then only we can find out the solution of it. So first of all, try to understand your problem. Many people, they can't capture their problem, but whenever they learn the American accent, they practice for a long time in their home in the American accent. They also see many videos in the YouTube or in another platforms of the American accent. But when it is time to do some conversation with anyone, when it is the time to speak the English language in the American accent in front of anyone or for to give a speech, they can't. What is the question? What is the matter guys? Why? Now also I am speaking in front of you. You don't know that what I am practicing at home, but I want to tell everyone that I also practice the American accent a lot. Not in nowadays. Before this taking this challenge also, I had practiced many things in American accent. But whenever I make some videos, I can't capture the American accent. Like I forget the American accent. What the American accent? I just talk about in the Indian accent. I just forget the American accent in that moment. But now the question is that how we can solve it. I know that it is a very common mistake, common problem, that we learn an American accent for a long time, but we can't use this accent while speaking, while doing conversation with anyone, because we don't have confidence. Because we are not sure that we are doing well or we are not doing well. So that's why guys, it's just happening. Ask yourself that why you are not able to express your feelings in the American accent. Because we are thinking that since our childhood, and it is also very true, like we are thinking since our childhood we are using our Indian accent. Now whenever we think about English, whenever we just speak in English, the American accent is not come. The Indian accent, all the sentences come in Indian accent. That's why guys, it also become one of our like habits. So now if you want to use the American accent in your speaking time, then guys, I want to tell everyone that try to make this American accent your habit. Now the question is how you will make this American accent in your habit. Now I am speaking in front of you a little bit. For some moments I also using the Indian accent because I am not perfect in American accent, and for that reason I have taken this challenge, 1 week for American accent challenge. And that's why guys I am making this American accent my habit, and that's why I'm making this American accent for to my hobby. So now to my habit. So this thing I want to tell everyone, if you want to develop your American accent, then absolutely you have to forget your Indian accent. Without doing this, you can't do any little bit also. Because guys, try to understand that from our childhood we are using the Indian accent. That's why in our mouth the Indian accent just set up. But when we will try to change the Indian accent into the American accent, it will take a few moments. But as much as you can speak, just try to speak in American accent. Okay, as much as you can speak, just speak it in American accent. Now I'm practicing and I am making this American accent one of my habit. Okay, just try to understand it. If you can understand it, if you can capture it, then it will be very good guys, and it is very important. Whenever you're gonna speak it, just try to practice in your home to speak the American accent for a long time. Now I am speaking, I am using the American accent, I'm trying to use the American accent in my words, in my sentences, and I know one day this American accent will be in my habit. So guys, I think everyone understood what I am trying to tell and what is the solution of this problem. This problem solution is only you have to speak in American accent. You have to speak in American accent. Don't matter when you are speaking. It can be while making the videos, while practicing, but you have to speak. You have to practice. Only if you can do that, then it will be very good guys, and it is very important. Now I am speaking, I am practicing it, and it is the beneficial thing for me. So guys, I think thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video, and guys wait for the second video which I will post in YouTube near about 4 p.m. So bye bye.